Day by day the rhythm stays tight. Steady green soldiers pushing toward the light. Another clean-up day, another smooth climb. The whole grow moving forward right on time.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Jacob Cultivates. Thank you all for joining me. Today we're going to be talking about a little bit of everything that I have going on. So let's talk about the past, the present, and the future. Recently, in the past, we just had the Madar Afghan indica harvest, and everything went pretty good with the harvest. I definitely learned a couple things through the process. I learned what I could do better, like staged harvests, cutting a little bit of the plant, doing it in stages. That's one thing I learned that may have been a good option for that plant. I also learned that sometimes when those tops are showing a higher degradation rate of the trichome breakdown, sometimes the tops will mature at a faster rate than the lowers. And this is the idea behind chopping the tops off, leaving the lowers to mature up. So we learned that. We had a great harvest anyway, though. We're drying, and it's looking like it's going to be some really good bud. Now, currently what we have going on are these beautiful skunk Afghani seed pops. They're actually seedlings now. These are skunk Afghani seedlings. Very healthy, very vibrant. They absolutely love these net pots that I'm growing them in. This was a bit of an experiment, and it's been going good. So 7 of those. They're photo period. And we're going to be running pollination with these plants. So we will be getting males and females, and I'm going to be pollinating because I'm dedicated to the conservation and the preservation and also the continued research for the medicinal values and qualities of these awesome old school genetics. Now, what we have coming up in the future, a little bit of that, I already just explained some of it, but we also got this coming up real soon in the near future, so you guys are going to want to stick around and not miss this harvest. We got the 1989 Hindu Kush crossed with White Widow. Fire, fire, fire genetics. So everything about this plant is super unique. As a matter of fact, we're going to take a look at it right now while I'm sitting here talking. Let's get that video up and running. So we got all kinds of beautiful colors going throughout this plant. Absolutely stunning. And if you were to ask me, just based on appearances, I would think this plant's ready for harvest. I think a lot of other people might agree. We have a crazy fade going on. That's what we call that change in colors, like the fall season. Crazy fade, crazy purples. But you have to look a little bit deeper down at the plant. So right now we're taking a look at the trichomes. This is the part we want to inspect so that we can figure out when our plant is just right for harvest. And the general consensus is we want those trichomes, which are those clear, bulbous, almost mushroom head looking things. We want those to go from a clear white milky color to an amber coloration, but not all of them. Really no more than half of them, so about 50%. I'm going to shoot for somewhere in the range of 30 to 50%. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a general guideline that a lot of growers go by, because you get the full spectrum of the medicinal qualities in your bud if you have that degradation in the trichomes. Very important. And we're going to speak on that further in another video. That's going to wrap this one up, everyone. Just a quick update to let you all know what's up, what we got going on. And we're having a great time here at Jacob Cultivates. I really appreciate all of your support, everyone stopping by to check out the videos. It's been an awesome ride so far, and we're just getting cooking. So I'm enjoying it. I hope you guys are enjoying it. And hey, I know what you're doing here. Oh, I know. I know. You are.
Yeah, you're learning while we're burning on Jacob.